I converted my RV mattress into a 5-star like hotel bed. To learn how I did this, see the video description below. What is the best camping chair? I'm excited to share with you the one I've been using for the past year because I absolutely love it. Hi Weekend Warrior family, or if you're new here, I'm Randy. And every Thursday I share tips to help us make every moment count because weekends are just too short. Okay, let me go get my camping chairs so I can share with you and show you why I love them so much. And I'm talking about the Nemo Stargaze Recliner Luxury. And I've got 2 of them. I can't wait to show you how comfortable this chair is. But first, let me show you how easy it is to set up. One of the things I like about the Nemo chair is how it folds up and is stored in such a compact carrying case. It has 2 main pieces, an aircraft-grade aluminum frame and a non-absorbent mesh chair. To set up the frame, you simply insert the rods into each other. That's it. The frame is now all put together. The rods are held together with bungee cords, which makes it really easy for setup and tear down. Next, you place the chair onto the frame with a locking plate that clicks right onto it. This allows for swinging and stargazing, as you're about to see. The last step is to insert 2 small rods, which are also held together with bungee cords, into the back of the chair for support. So, what does it feel like to sit in the Nemo Stargazing chair? When you sit in it, your body sinks into the chair and it is so comfortable. The locking plate allows for swinging and reclining as you shift your body. This is the ultimate luxury camping chair. This camp chair takes relaxation to new levels. I like to call it a lounge chair because it feels like you're swinging in a hammock. And as you shift your body weight back, it reclines into a stargazing chair. This is what makes this the best camping chair. And according to the manufacturer, it can hold people up to 300 pounds. This camp chair also has a no-spill cup holder and a stash pocket, which is really handy. Plus a removable headrest. Coming up, I'm going to share more features about this camping chair and show you how to pack it up. What is your favorite camping chair? I want to know. Let me know in the comment section below. To pack up the Nemo chair, you first fold up the supportive rods and there is a strap in the back of the chair to secure them in place. Next, squeeze in on the locking plate to remove the chair from the frame. Fold the chair up and place it in the carry tote. After I first purchased the chair, I struggled to get it back into the carry tote, but packing it in this order, the chair goes back in with no problem. To fold up the frame, you pull the rods apart to disconnect them. That's it. I love how the bungee cords keep the frame intact while packing it away. This keeps everything together so there are not a bunch of pieces that could get lost, and it makes assembly much easier. Now place the folded up frame into the carry tote and the camping chair is all packed up. The Nemo chair is quality built and the carry tote is too. It has mesh material sides, so it is ideal to allow airflow so the chair does not get mold and mildew when it's packed away and stored. And I love how they have the instructions attached to the carry tote. This camping chair is lightweight, weighing just under 7 pounds, and its easy carry handle and adjustable shoulder strap make it easy to take along just about anywhere. This camping chair was included in my top 10 luxury camping accessories video that I recently did. And that video is packed with great camping gear ideas. If you haven't seen that video already, I'll leave a link to it right up here and in the video description below. So be sure to watch that next. Well, that's it for this episode, and I can't wait to see you next Thursday.